Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Yoco card machine. First, download the free Yoco app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, open the app to create and verify your business profile. This crucial step ensures you can lawfully receive payments. Also, make sure your Yoco card machine has sufficient battery, ideally fully charged, to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Now, let's connect your card machine. Power on your Yoco device by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds until it starts up. Next, open the Yoco app on your smartphone or tablet. From the main menu, find and tap on the card machines section. Your device should appear in the list. Simply select it to initiate the pairing process. Confirm the serial number on the screen matches the one on your machine for a successful connection. To implement media queries effectively, it's a good practice to place them towards the end of your main CSS file. Inside the app media block, you'll nest the specific CSS rules that should apply when the conditions are met. You can also combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and, not, or only to create more precise targeting. For instance, for screens between 768 and 1024 pixels wide. Finally, personalize your Yoco experience and know where to find help. Within the Yoco app's business settings, you can customize your digital receipts, adding your business name and a unique tagline. Also, activate useful sales tools such as recording cash payments or enabling tip options for your customers. If you encounter any questions or need more detailed guides, the Yoco Help Center is an excellent resource, offering comprehensive support for all your business needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.